Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Adamant Boy. So today I'll be sharing my railway recruitment NTPC level 5 admit card which was released on 12th of June. So here is the admit card. So you can see NTPC level 5 candidate name, exam location, exam city. My exam will be on Surat, ION Digital Zone IDZ Un Pawai. It is in shift 1 on 12th of June. These are the candidate signature you have to do at the time of the examination only. Here you have to paste your photograph which is similar to the photograph which you had added earlier. This is the handwritten declaration. So at the time of start of the examination, 5 minutes will be given to write the handwriting declaration which was displayed on the examination screen. Here left thumb impression, right thumb impression, candidate signature you have to do at the time of examination only. Here are the instruction. So the important point is candidate allowed only if they produce e-call letter, photograph, original photo ID and face mask. So these four things are mandatory for the examination. You have to reach the exam center well in advance for Aadhaar link biometric authentication. So report for first shift reporting time is 7:30 a.m. So you have to reach 7:30 a.m. for this Aadhaar link biometric verification. So my exam is in first shift 7:30 a.m. It start at 9:30 to 10:30. Next, third, fourth, fifth point you can read. Sixth point is also an important point. So you have to bring one original and valid photo identification card with you. So it can be any like Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, passport, identity card issued by school, college, and if you are government employee, so that also. So this is the mandatory. Next, 17th point is an important point. So during the examination, that is at the mid of the examination, one additional biometric will be taken, and for this you will not get extra time for the examination. It will be taken during the mid of the examination. So all the best for the examination. These are the important points. You have to bring a valid photo ID, your admit card with two photos, e-call letter and face mask. These are the mandatory, and you can see your shift timings. So reach well in advance to the examination center, do your biometric authentication and write the exam. All the best. Thank you.